for Tamika and Natasha, y'all. Tamika is a dance teacher in Oakland. She teaches this Caribbean dance style. It's her own flavor. It's African, Caribbean. You know, representing African Americans. So check her out. Where the class is at, Tamika?
My dance class is on Monday at In the Group Dance Studios by the Lake, 6:15. Come check it out.
And you want to see her? She's going to be on the side of the stage so you can see her in person. All right. Thank you, Natasha. Thank you. I didn't say thank you.